To make fried tofu. So for frying tofu, the best advice is to get extra firm tofu. It's easier to fry. After you got it, then you cut the tofu in cubes, and then you get a piece of paper towels to wrap it because tofu is very wet. You want to drain it out, kind of, and then you put something heavy on top of it to kind of squish it down. Only use bottle season for your tofu. I usually put a lot so I can taste it because tofu alone is bland. Also, do not use flour to coat your tofu because it just have this, it won't make it, you won't taste the flavor. You can actually eat this with rice. I just love it with rice noodles. And so after I'm finished frying the tofu, I make the rice noodles. Most rice noodle comes with instructions, so you can do it best fit for you. So you can add the veggies. You could use fresh or frozen. To me, they taste the same regardless, but we had a lot of frozen veggies, so I decided to use them. And of course, add my bottle seasoning to them. Because it's frozen, I needed it to be steamed a little before I moved on to the next step. Let my vegetables steam for at least 6 to 8 minutes. Then I add my noodles. After I add my noodles, I add my tofu. Stir it up a little. Then I get my sesame oil. And after my sesame oil, I add in my red Thai chili sauce. I love it. It's so good. When it comes to me, I don't really like to give measurement for cooking videos because I feel like everyone has their own taste and tolerance. So I will tell the basic ingredients that I put in, and then it's up to you based on your taste and preference.